Come join us as we explore the depths of this cave. And don't forget to like and subscribe.
So last week, at the very beginning of our episode, you can check it out, I posted in our intro this waterfall that was coming seemingly out of the mouth of the canyon, which we will be able to see now, because there was so much rain and we couldn't step in. Like, this is mind-blowing. I'll post it again here, but you got to see this. Check this out. So it's absolutely dry. We haven't had rain in what, how many days, babe? 3 or 4 maybe? 3? Anyway, I had said that the water was coming out of who knows where. Check this out. Like, seriously, just out of the hole of this mountain.
You okay?
I'm okay. It's slippery. Like I said, just a little klutzy. I'm good. The wetness is slippery.
You okay?
I'm good. Wow. I need a flashlight. Oh my gosh, how deep is that? We have to come back. We have to come back. This is so epic.
I'll show you how deep the water was when we were first here.
Okay. That was the water level, his arms.
That was the water level.
Yeah, where his arms are. Yeah.
That was how deep the water was right here.
That is so crazy. That's a lot of water. We're gonna come back with a flashlight and explore this more because this is so cool. We're back. We had to go get flashlights and some ropes and some preparation before we came in. And so now we're gonna explore, see how far we can go. So these steps just go down into this area to be able to explore the cave right there. And this is the exit there, and the bridge that the road goes over. So let's go check it out. Yoo-hoo! He's back in there somewhere. It's so dark, I can't even see his flashlight up there. Caca, caca! Oh, there you are. I'm gonna give you the GoPro here pretty quick.
You good there? I'll have you shine back for me.
Yep.
Thank you.
It's just amazing to think about the water that flows through this. Like, just the amount of water is mind-blowing.
Yeah. This isn't where it goes up. It actually keeps going down.
Wow.
And that hole we saw down here,
Yeah.
that's where she goes. This is going to be the end of our trip. She drops fast. Oh yeah. Oh, found the pool.
Yeah?
Yeah, it's an emerald pool in here.
Oh my gosh, that's cool.
I bet you could dive this cave. That was pretty cool.
Turn around, say hi.
Hey.
Hello. I'm getting a stalactite and a stalagmite that then turns into a stalactite.
Yeah.
Into a building stalagmite. See this in front?
Oh my gosh, that's beautiful. Out here.
This one too. I'm gonna get this big wall here because this whole wall is just all limestone. Just stop and look, it's like wow.
You can probably drink that water. It's so pure.
Oh, down there for sure.
Yeah.
It's really warm in here.
It is. Yeah.
And now we dance. True blackness.
This is how dark it is in here. Hello! Caves are so epic. The earth is amazing.
Okay, let's climb up.
Okay.
Can you move your head?
I don't know.
Yep.
rock grinder in there.
Yeah, it is.
Curious how far we might have gone into it.
Half kilometer, quarter mile maybe?
Yeah?
Maybe.
Cool.
What'd you think?
That was cool.
That was pretty awesome.
So worth it.
Yeah.
Like,
Yeah, that was a lot of fun. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed our video, like and subscribe. And don't forget to join us next week.